Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Little Bites is probably one of the most popular dog food options out there, and for good reason. Today, we're diving deep into Rachael Ray's Little Bites, exploring its ingredients, nutritional value, and overall suitability for your furry friend. We'll uncover whether this dog food lives up to the hype and if it's the right choice for your beloved companion, so you can make an informed decision. Number 5. Rachael Ray Nutrish Real Chicken and Veggies Recipe. This dry dog food is specially formulated for adult dogs of all breeds. It features real chicken as the primary ingredient, providing a great source of protein to help maintain lean muscle mass and support healthy organs. The recipe includes real chicken, ensuring a delicious and nutritious meal. This high-quality ingredient provides essential nutrients for your dog's overall well-being. It's crafted with a whole health blend, including omega-3 fatty acids for a healthy mind and antioxidants for immune support. The recipe also includes lean proteins and whole grains for balanced energy. You can feel good about what you're feeding your dog. This recipe contains no artificial preservatives or flavors, ensuring a wholesome and natural mealtime experience. This natural dog food is enriched with added vitamins, minerals, and taurine. It's made without poultry byproduct meal, using only high-quality ingredients to support your dog's health. What we like. This recipe features real chicken as the primary ingredient, ensuring a high-quality protein source for your dog. It also includes a whole health blend, providing essential nutrients for overall well-being. If you are looking for a balanced and wholesome meal for your adult dog, this is a great choice. What people say. The food is small and easy for my dog to eat. My dog loves the taste of this food. The ingredients are natural and healthy for my dog. Number 4. Nutrish Real Beef Recipe Dry Dog Food. Looking for a healthy and delicious meal for your adult dog? This recipe is made with real beef as the #1 ingredient. It provides a good source of protein to help support your dog's lean muscle mass and healthy organs. This dry dog food is packed with wholesome ingredients. It's formulated with omega-3 fatty acids to support an active mind. It also contains vitamin C and other antioxidants to support immune health. You can feel good about mealtime with this natural dog food. It contains no artificial preservatives or flavors. It's made with high-quality ingredients and added vitamins, minerals, and taurine. This recipe is a great choice for your dog. It provides lean proteins and whole grains for balanced energy. It's a nutritious recipe that you and your dog will love. Every purchase of this food supports animals in need through the Rachael Ray Foundation. It's a great way to give back while providing your dog with a healthy meal. What we like. With real beef as the #1 ingredient, this recipe offers a delicious and protein-rich meal. It also supports your dog's lean muscle mass. If your dog loves the taste of beef and you want to support their active lifestyle, then this is the perfect option. What people say. The food is small and easy for my dog to eat. My dog loves the taste of this food. The ingredients are natural and healthy. Number 3. Nutrish Dish Chicken and Brown Rice Recipe Dry Dog Food. This is a premium natural dry dog food. It's made with real ingredients that you can see. This food is a great choice for your dog. The #1 ingredient is U.S. farm-raised chicken. It provides a healthy and delicious meal for your dog. This ensures your dog gets the protein it needs. It's made with natural ingredients and added vitamins, minerals, and taurine. This recipe is free from artificial preservatives, colors, and flavors. It's a wholesome meal for your furry friend. This recipe includes real meat, veggies, and fruit. You can see the quality ingredients in every bite. Your dog will love the taste and you'll love the nutrition. There are no poultry byproduct meals or fillers. This means it's packed with the good stuff. Give your dog the best with this nutritious food. What we like. This recipe uses U.S. farm-raised chicken as the primary ingredient, ensuring quality and freshness. It's packed with real meat, veggies, and fruit that you can see. If you want a natural and flavorful meal with visible ingredients for your dog, then consider this. What people say. My baby loves it. She gobbles it down right away as if it's a treat, not just dog food. There are plentiful chunks of dried carrots, little bacon-shaped things, peas, chicken chunks, etc. All the meat is named meat, i.e. poultry fat versus animal fat, which is a good thing. Number 2. Rachael Ray Nutrish Small Breed Dry Dog Food. This is Rachael Ray Nutrish, specially made for small breed dogs. It's a natural food with added vitamins, minerals, and nutrients to keep them healthy. The main ingredient is real chicken, providing a great source of protein. This helps support lean muscle mass and healthy organs for your dog. The kibble pieces are small, making them easy for small breed dogs to eat. It's designed to be the perfect size for their little mouths. This recipe includes a whole health blend to support your dog's overall well-being. It's a complete and balanced meal. You might know this food as Rachael Ray Nutrish Little Bites. Now, it's the same great recipe, just with a new name, Nutrish Small Breed. This bag contains 14 pounds of delicious and nutritious food. It's a great value for your money and will keep your dog happy and healthy. What we like. This recipe is specifically designed for small breeds, with small kibble pieces that are easy to eat. It also features real chicken as the primary ingredient. If you have a small breed dog and want a nutritious meal tailored to their needs, then this is the perfect choice. What people say. Smaller pieces make it easier for him to chew and doesn't take him as long as with the bigger kibble. She went through and selected small pieces, so I bought the brand for small dogs and she loves it. It seems we have finally found something she likes. This dry food is perfect for both of them at this stage of their lives. Number 1. Pawstruck Beef Meal Topper for Picky Dogs. Is your dog a fussy eater? This meal topper is designed to make mealtime exciting. It's packed with flavor and nutrition to entice even the pickiest pups. This topper is made in the USA with real beef. It's a wholesome and grain-free option, ensuring your dog gets the best ingredients. You can trust that it's made with care. This meal topper is vet recommended, giving you peace of mind. It's a nutritious boost to your dog's meal, endorsed by professionals. If you have any questions, reach out. Perfect for fussy dogs, it adds flavor and nutrition to any meal. Plus, it includes salmon oil and vitamins for hip and joint support. No matter the size or breed, they'll love it. Use it as a meal mixer or a topper for dry food. It makes mealtime more exciting for your dog. It lasts for 18 months, so you can stock up on their new favorite treat. As a small business, we only sell wholesome products. We proudly feed this to our own dogs, adhering to the strictest quality standards. Your dog deserves the best. What we like. These meal toppers are designed to entice even the pickiest eaters. They are vet recommended, ensuring quality and safety. If you have a dog that is a fussy eater and you want to add some extra flavor and nutrition to their meals, then you should consider these toppers. What people say. The fact that it's made with Rachael chicken and produced in the USA gives me peace of mind about the quality. It's also great that it comes in a resealable bag, keeping everything fresh. The meal toppers are incredibly easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.